Assalamualaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 24th of May 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine? So yesterday we discussed about number patterns. Isn't class? We have discussed some of the rules of number pattern. How we can find the missing numbers in a number pattern. So Huzaifa, you tell me what are the rules? Very good. First of all, firstly, we will decide if the given sequence is ascending or descending order. ऐसे ही हम सबसे पहले क्या देखते हैं कि जो हमारे पास गिवन सीक्वेंस है वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. Isn't class? Okay. Secondly, if the order is ascending, so we will use mathematical operation of addition and multiplication to find missing numbers of the given sequence. अगर तो हमारे पास ascending order होगा, if the sequence is ascending order, so we will use mathematical operations which is plus and multiplication to find the missing numbers in number pattern. Fine? Okay. In third step, if the order is descending, अगर हमारे पास order जो है वो descending होगा, so we will use mathematical operation which is minus and division. Fine? अगर तो हमारे पास descending order होगा तो उसके लिए हम कौन से mathematical operations use कर सकते हैं? Minus and division. Isn't class? Okay. So I have an order which is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, and I want to find the next 3 terms of this sequence. So what would I do? Very good. According to this, first of all we will decide the given sequence is ascending or descending order. सबसे पहले जो है हम लोगों ने क्या देखना है कि जो हमारे पास सीक्वेंस गिवन उसने दिया हुआ है वो असेंडिंग है या फिर डिसेंडिंग है. सो एज यू लुक क्लास 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 के बाद 4 आता है, 4 के बाद 6 आते हैं, 6 के बाद 8 आता है. एज यू लुक द सीक्वेंस इज असेंडिंग, ऑर्डर उसका क्या है? असेंडिंग. सो वी विल यूज प्लस और मल्टीप्लीकेशन इन दिस to find the next 3 terms. ठीक है, अब हमने अगर next 3 terms को find out करना है तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? प्लस करेंगे या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. If I will plus first 2 terms which is 2 plus 4, so I get the next term which is 6. Fine. Likewise, if I add 4 plus 6, if I add 4 plus 6, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 10. 4 plus 6, so I get 10. The next number is 10. क्लियर हो गया सबको? Likewise, Very good. HCF stands for highest common factor. Highest common factor. And LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Fine. HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for lowest common multiple. ये डिफरेंस पता चल गया सबको? ओके. So the greatest number in the group of common factors of 2 or more is known as highest common factor. So class, HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for lowest common multiple. HCF एक्चुअल में क्या होता है? ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर होता है ग्रुप ऑफ कॉमन फैक्टर्स. फाइंड ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर इन द ग्रुप ऑफ कॉमन फैक्टर्स. और LCM क्या होता है? लोएस्ट नंबर इन ग्रुप ऑफ कॉमन मल्टीपल्स इज नोन एज LCM. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर दिस वी हैव टू स्टडी द रूल्स ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी. फाइन. इसके लिए सबसे पहले जो हम लोगों ने क्या जो है वो होना चाहिए, हमें रूल्स जो हैं वो फिंगर टिप्स पे होने चाहिए. रूल्स ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी. So class, there are certain rules in mathematics to find one whole number is divisible by another whole number, leaving no remainder. Fine. So it is a very quick method to find factors of large numbers. In previous class we have studied the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 5 and 10. So in this chapter we have discussed the divisibility rules for number 4, 6, 8, 7 and 9. Fine class. Now the first divisibility rule for number 4. Divisibility rule for number 4. So number 4 के लिए अब सबसे पहले हमने divisibility rules देखने. So class, very first of all we will take the number which is 584 as an example. 584. Okay, 584. Look at the tens and unit digits. This is your ones, tens and hundred. This is a 3-digit number, so it is very obvious. The unit place of 4 is ones, 8 is tens and 5 is hundreds. फाइन. ऐसे ये यूनिट प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 4 की वंस, 8 की क्या होगी? टेंस और 5 की क्या होगी? 100. सो द नंबर 4, सबसे पहले हम क्या देखेंगे? 10 और वंस की जो आपके पास डिजिट्स हैं टेंस और वंस पे, विच मेक्स 84. ओके. This is your first step divisibility rule for number 4. Number 4 के लिए जो divisibility rule है उसमें सबसे पहले हम क्या चेक करेंगे? टेंस और वंस पे जो हमारे पास digits होंगे which makes 2-digit number. Now यहाँ पे कौन से 84? अब हम क्या चेक करेंगे? Is 84 divisible by 4 or not? अब हमने क्या चेक करना है? Is 84 divisible by 4 or not? So we will write 84 inside the division and 4 as a divisor. To check it is divisible by 4 or not. For 2 times 8, I will write 4 below there, and as you know class, for 1 times 4. रिमाइंडर हमारे पास क्या आया है 0। सो एज यू नो हम डिविजिबिलिटी के रूल्स जो है वो किस लिए करते हैं कि हमें रिमाइंडर जो है वो क्या चाहिए 0। फाइन। अब यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो तो इट इज परफेक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो वी कैन से 584 is divisible by 4. 584 is divisible by 4. Fine. 584 is divisible by 4. So class, we know that 200, 300, 500 are the multiples of 4. Therefore, if the last two digits of a number are 0, then the number is divisible by 4. ये क्लियर हो गया सबको। अगर हमारे पास लास्ट टू डिजिट्स जो हैं वो जीरोस भी होंगे तो भी जो नंबर है वो क्या होगा, डिविजिबल होगा 4 पे। सो 200, 300, 500 अप टू सो ऑन, 200, 300, 500 up to so on are divisible by 4. ओके, ये आप लोगों ने जो है वो याद रखना है कि अगर लास्ट टू डिजिट्स जो हैं वो जीरोस होंगे तो वो क्या होगा, डिविजिबल होगा किस पे, 4 पे। सो वी कैन से शॉर्टली a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits of number is divisible by 4. Fine. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits of number is divisible by 4. ये क्लियर हो गया सबको? Okay, now I am going to solve question number 4 which is on page number 33 from exercise number 2A. Question number 4, exercise number 2A, and the statement is which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. A part, which is 1996. Okay class, 1996. So according to first step of divisibility rule for number 4, अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? What we have discussed? So class, we have discussed if the unit place and tens place, which is like this, 6 is at ones place according to place value chart, 9 is at tens place, 9 is at 100 place and ones is at 1000 place. So अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था for divisibility rules for number 4. If the last two digits which is 96, last two digits which is 96, if this digit is divisible by 4, so we can say 1996 is also divisible by 4. So we will check here, 96 divided by 4 very first. So as you know class, 4 2 times 8. Fine. So what is the next step? Who will tell me? Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Very good. We will subtract here. So 9 minus 8 is 1. And I will bring 6 down. Fine. As you know class, 4 times 16. If you, as you know class, we have remainder 0. So that's why चेक करने हैं बाय 4, नंबर 4। सो उसके लिए हम लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स को लेंगे। अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास एग्जांपल क्या थी, 1996। सो वेरी फर्स्ट वी विल टेक लास्ट 2 digits which makes 96. Now we will check if 96 is divisible by 4 or not and leaving no remainder. If it leaving no remainder, so we can say the number which is in 4 digit which is 4 digit 1996 is also divisible by 4. Fine. Now I have another example which is 2000. Fine class. So as we have discussed, if the last 2 digits of a number are 0, then the number is divisible by 4. हमने ये भी पढ़ा था कि ऐसे नंबर्स जिनमें लास्ट 2 नंबर्स जो हैं वो जीरोस होते हैं, वो क्या होगा, एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल होगा किस पे, 4 पे। सो वी कैन से 2000 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4 because the last 2 digits of this number is 0. Fine. 2000 is divisible by 4 because last 2 digit of this number is 0. Now let's take another example which is part number C. 23 space 606. So हमने रूल्स जो है वो क्या इसमें हम लोगों ने रूल्स जो है वो क्या सेट किए थे डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स फॉर नंबर 4. वी विल टेक लास्ट 2 numbers which is like this. 6 is at 1's place, 0 is at 10's place, 6 is at 100's place, 3 is at 1000 and 2 is at 10,000. So we will take 2 digit number which is 6. Now let's check the 6 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 1 times 4. We have 2 remainder in the end. So ये तो exactly नहीं divisible हुआ. So in this way we will write 23606 is not divisible by 4. Fine. 23 space 606 is not divisible by 4. Is it clear? सबसे पहले हम क्या देखते हैं? First of all, we will take last 2 digits of the given number and we will check if the last 2 numbers are divisible by 2 or no, by 4 or not. If it is divisible by 4, so we can say the exact number which they have given. So this is also divisible by 4. ठीक है? ये जो है आपका concept है which is related to divisibility rules by number 4. You have to practice question number 4 all parts in your notebook from page number 33. Fine, this is all class. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.